7 powerful recruiting tips that will help you in your network marketing business. Number 1, decide with all conviction. What do I mean by this? Decide within yourself that you will definitely take part in this, no matter the fear, the challenges, or the problems that will come up in this. When you decide within you, when you are so convinced and you are ready to be accountable to yourself, you will see that no matter the challenges that arises, you will be part and parcel of the business, and you will keep pushing till you get your target. The second tip is to develop a recruiting mindset. It means that you need to go after people of like minds, people that are ready to build and scale through with you. When you want to be a professional recruiter, you don't bug people in their inbox. You don't fight with people to come and work with you. You don't go and force people around to work with you, especially people that do it with their family members. They go to their family members and they keep pressurizing them to join. No, that is a very wrong mindset in network marketing recruiting. If you have the right mindset in recruiting, what you need to do is just to show your business to people on daily basis, then allow them to come to you and say, yes, I am ready to be part of this business. The next thing is to learn how to make friends. If you make friends, it becomes easier. Most of us, we think that we need to just market our friends to our families, while we now neglect the strangers out there. The strangers are the ones that will help you to build. So what you need to do is develop a friendships mindset. Okay, when you go out for programs, try to relate more with people, take their numbers, communicate with them. Now, making friends does not mean that you need to present your business to them at this point. Feel free, don't talk about your business. Somebody that is your friend will definitely find out what you are doing someday, and they even become more relaxed to even work with you. They become more relaxed to ask you about your business. And normally, while in that friend circle, you see yourself talking about what you do, each and every one of you talking about what you do. So it's even easier to talk to them, see what I'm doing, see what we are into. Now, you are not talking to them with the mindset that you want them to join your business. You are talking to them with the mindset that you just want them to know what you are into. And then somebody is likely to tell you, oh, can I be part of this business? You see, the communication becomes easier now. Most of us will feel that I don't know how to convince people. I don't know how to tell people that I'm into so business. How do I tell them what I'm doing? So you find it difficult. But if it's your friend, it becomes easier. You don't even care. You just tell them, openly, see what I'm into, see what the business is all about. And now this friend decides to join your business. People come in, boss, and they're like, hey, how are you doing? Can I know more about you? There is nothing wrong with that, especially with women. We feel like when somebody wants to ask us more about ourselves, you are trying to protect yourself, maybe because you don't want to, you're thinking it's a relationship something, you are thinking that person is after something else. So just have an open mind. This is business, okay? So have an open mind, interact with people as much as you can, reply all highs and hello in your inbox, accept all friend requests. And if you can, send friend requests to people, especially on Facebook. If you can follow people, better. And remember, when you save somebody's number, especially somebody that you are seeing as a potential partner, 80% of you talking about the business to the person is already taken care of, because you normally, with the mindset of a recruiting agent, already know you'll be advertising on your status, on your Facebook, or your Instagram, Twitter, anywhere you are advertising. So you know what to do already. It becomes easier for you to flow.